Hey, what's up, guys? We have just finished another kitchen renovation in Electronic City. I would like to take you through what exactly we have done in this particular kitchen. It is a very old kitchen built by Concord Groups, Concord Manhattan Apartments, and now I've just renovated it with an acrylic laminate. So let me just take you through what exactly we have done in this particular kitchen. So if you see, this is this is the kitchen. I'll just put a photo of the older kitchen which we had before. The older kitchen didn't have this granite paneling what we have here. This was totally closed. I got that open, right? And the kitchen right now has a beautiful Satvario tile which is of a width of 8 feet by 2.5 feet. And if you see here, it's a beautiful quartz countertop, we call it. So you can see how this beautifully finished. It's a quartz countertop, and what we have done is to give it a bigger feel of a kitchen. So I've got that open so that we have enough, space inside. You feel that the kitchen is not too tiny, and this is I have created a utility which I'll come back to how this was designed and how it was before. So let us start with the kitchen as such. So what I've done is at this bottom area, right? At this bottom area, I have given the lighting, right? It's a LED strip light, which I have given. I have left some space for chimney, which will come in later. And this is a single bowl sink, which is Keresil make. The brand name is Keresil, if you see here. And then you have the stack with the hot and cold mixer. So below that, what I've done is I have given a water pull out at this area so that I can put some detergents and stuff inside the kitchen, which is next to the sink. Let's close that. Below this, we have given an empty space. Client didn't want a dustbin inside a kitchen, so that's finished neat. Coming to these three cabinets, you see here, it's a beautiful, uh, cutlery unit, PVC cutlery unit. We have used all and Echo accessories. This is a 6-inch for your smaller bottles. Let's close this. And if you look at the last one, this is a plate rack. And this is here something I have to tell you guys. If you see this particular plate rack, you can actually kind of decide what is the width of your plate. So this is movable. It's a plate rack by Godrej. So you can, it's a stainless steel rust proof plate rack for your plates, which will get in there. And not only that, you can put in about 2 plates, a smaller one, a bigger one, whatever combo you want. So that's the reason they've given you this movable stuff, easy to use. Right, let's close this. Now coming to this part, this is for your dry items like your onions and stuff. So I have given a wicker basket here. This is handmade. I get this made from a guy who does it really well. I don't buy it online because the online ones are really cheap and they're not good enough. So I've got this done. Easy to use for your dry items like your coconut from aloo to whatever you can put in there. Nice packing done here so that you can open this particular door. And once you open this door, you have this D tray, and this D tray is from Epco. Epco is a brand which I've used here. It's a simple D tray, does the job, nothing complicated. I don't want to put a magic corner and all of that. And after a couple of months, it stops working, and I get a call to repair it. So have something which works long term in your kitchen. So have a beautiful D tray which can take that weight, whatever you put in here. You can use that. So you can see here you can use that particular space as well. So it looks neat. You may see a gas piping here, right? So that is routed to the utility. Now, if you come back and see here, this is a large tandem box. Again, for your larger utensils and stuff. Easy to close. Let's go to the next one. Again, a large tandem box for all your utensils. Always advise my clients to have something sized, like you have a 5 kg box, 2 kg box. Have more of such things so that you don't have, issues with loading stuff. I've seen my clients putting a large dabba here and they say there's no space inside the kitchen, but you got to use something which works with this. So you can buy on Amazon. There's a lot of stuff which is about 3 kg, 4 kg stuff box which you can put in there. Let's go to this. This is a small, drawer which I've given here. Let's close this and going to the lower portion. And if you may see that I have not given any handles anywhere in this kitchen. This is my notch so that I can put my finger and open it. So this is some space for more storage again. And so this is the Gola profile which I've used to open the shutters. All are soft close. I've used a new brand called has a series called Heppo hinges which I've used here. You see, this is a neatly paneled granite work. This is very important. So this was closed before. I've got it open. Got the civil work done. See how neatly this granite is paneled. So if you see here, it's neatly paneled. I think better light here. And this is a granite. So what do you call this? It can take any kind of rough usage as well. It's a countertop granite which you can use it for countertop as well, but I got this to match the laminate color of the kitchen. So the Urban Club guys are cleaning the utility. Now let me explain the utility to you guys. If you look at it, this is what I've done. This is the space for the dishwasher. This is space for the washing machine. This is the so-called inlet and outlet for the washing machine and the dishwasher. I've created a small cabinet for the support for the granite, and that's the one for sink with drain board, which is used for washing in utility. And I've covered this utility with a UPVC window and balcony net. So this kind of helps us not to have monkeys coming in or whatever, which is pretty common in Bangalore flats because we're taking their spaces. So now this is on top of that, we have this cloth hanger which we got installed. So does the job for the client. So we have the washing machine which is coming here and then the cloth hanger. So that's pretty neatly done in the utility. And I didn't want to put a door there because the space is much lesser. Putting a door here would screw up the space. So what I've done here is I have this bamboo curtains which I've installed, and I've done a neat paneling with the granite. I'll just show you. That's a nice light. We got it from IKEA. So this is a neat looking bamboo curtains which I've used, and you see the finishing here, neatly done. This is very important. So neatly finished granite work, granite paneling, which I've done in this kitchen, and that's looking great. And then let's go to this broom box. So we kind of wanted to have storage. So let's show you this. It's straight, but don't think it's curved because my camera angle is curved. So this door is straight, it's not curved. Okay, so I have got this GoPro, but this is straight door which I've installed here. It has a fisheye just to give it a larger look for the whole place, right? And then this is, I've covered it so that we can store some brooms and stuff like that. Let's go to the lower portion. If you see here, this is the gas piping done to the kitchen, and a cylinder will be connected and put there, right? And then this is a space which was open, but I've got it closed. So if you see here, I've closed the space. It's a duct actually. Now this is the kitchen. Our tap has been installed, and here where we keep the dustbin, right? I mean, below this we have the dustbin in the kitchen, right? So this opening has done a great job for this utility. It's a neatly done utility, what I would say. I love the view. Electronic City, Bangalore. Nice cloth hanger, and that's the light. I love that light. It's a light. That's a light. See, it's not dark to get a better, but that's a light which I've installed there in the utility. That's from IKEA. Thanks for Urban Clap to give this beautiful service which they have. Full home deep cleaning, beautifully cleaning the whole each and every part of it of the house. Helps us in delivering a project better. You see, I've got this was a empty space. What I've done here is I've installed a sink, right? So sink, below that a vanity. This is our satin finish laminate just to go with the place, right? I got the WC and everything changed in this particular bathroom, right? And then you see here again a beautiful sink, a granite countertop which I got installed, and then you have this vanity here, and this is a nice mirror. So let's look at this. It's on this. Nice. Okay, this looks beautiful here, neat. And okay, and this is a nice LED mirror, neat looking LED mirror. Whoa, cool. Let's go to this. That's a nice light there again for the bathroom. Let's try to get this on. To a switch, I wonder. I think you guys must have to show you the lights in the kitchen. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a beautiful light. Again, from this company called IKEA. I love it. It's golden color. And yes, I forgot to show you the upper cabinet of the kitchen. Right, we have the storage. It's a 3 feet. It's not like a 2 feet. This is a 3 feet from here to there. A lot of storage. You can also add a shelf if you want. That's a loft, but unfortunately I can't reach that. So, and again, this is a show door, and you may wonder where's the handle for this. There is no handle. Okay, so I have got this 2 shelves here. This is a corner space. I kept it open because it's difficult to use if you have shutters. So I kept it open. I can add a shelf on more so that you can, have more of storage. This is another storage system. Look at that. There's a lot of space here for storage. My client wanted it that way, so I suggested the 3 feet one instead of a 2 feet. Typical kitchen. Let's look at this. So this is a 2-door, right? Again, a lot of shelves because we are used to this using the shelves and not something with mechanism you pull down and stuff. People don't like it, so I've got that done here. That's a loft. You can put in more stuff there all the way, right? So this is with the kitchen, guys. Okay, and I'll show you the rest of the video as well, which is of the wardrobe quickly.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.